Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So I did this video already. It's an almond cheese, and I find a way to make it even more interesting, to make it better, and to explain to you even more. And so this is take 2. And so we start with an empty blender, and I have here 1 cup of water, but I'm not going to pour the entire cup because so this is like 3/4 cups, because I want to make sure that it's not too runny. You want it as thick as you can get it. And here we have some, this is already soaked, and some almond. So I soak it and I sprouted it and got the skins off it, because this way I wanted it to be cheese, to be white. And I was going to blend it first, but I might as well go ahead and put some Irish mash. This is the way to get your Irish mash into your diet. So this is 1 cup, and so I have a video how I make my Irish mash to become like this. And there's even a way to make it even more jelly if you don't want it. Hopefully you could have seen how the consistency of it. So we have there let's go ahead and blend that before we put anything else. We have the almond and some Irish mash, and we are going to blend. I think it needs the 1 cup of water, because at this point it's not moving. So before that I have some oil. So in this you put your favorite oil. This one is some sesame seed oil. I like the flavor of that. And then I have nutritional yeast, cayenne pepper, and salt here. I find when you're making the cheese, the salt is really good for it. Let's blend before I have 1 more ingredient, but let's blend. Send some of these ingredients down that's trying to escape. I wish I could avoid letting you hear the blending, but I don't know how to do that. So just bear with me as I put because you want everything to be blended and to be tasty, and you know, let me see if it could take some more salt. So if you're not running away from the salt, put I'll tell you how much I put, and then you can adjust. But right now I'm going with 2 teaspoons of salt, because I want the fullness of the flavor of this cheese. I don't want to miss out on it. And this is the thing, I find that when you're eating the salt like this, it doesn't affect me, but like if I cook with it, so I rather cook a fresh pot and then add my salt to it. So this way it's fine for me. So Simple Life. What I am going to add now to this, so here is the cheese. Let me see how thick. You see how it stays on the blender, on the thing, the tamper, and you see it's not moving.
Yes.
So this is what I want. And now I have some eskellion, Jamaican eskellion. So I love the, sweetie, you don't like too much scallion, so I'm not gonna put, but usually I would put half cup of scallion in there. So for me, I would even leave it like this, just stir it up with this and eat it. But because you don't want to just see it like that, so I'm just gonna nuke it a bit like that. Simple Life. So I am going to try it now with the scallion. It's amazing. It is amazing. Simple Life, I am not kidding you. This cheese is so awesome. If I did not put the extra salt, it wouldn't have given me that taste. And if I have not put the scallions, it would not have given me that flavor. So for everything you want, you know, if you want to take it to the next level, and I could also taste the nutritional yeast in it. It also gave it that cheesy flavor. So this is it. This is done. It's not it. I didn't use too much of water. Well, I use the exact 1 cup, and you see it's staying. It's not a cheese that you are going to slice to put on your bread or to put in your bun. It's like more like a cream cheese spread cheese. So what you can do with this cheese, you can put it between your burger buns. You could put it on, here I have some chickpea flatbread that I made. So you could put it on your chickpea flatbread, put it in between. So let me pour it out here and then we will finish talk. But yeah, it's this is the consistency of
right texture.
The texture, yes, of it. It's very, very, like when I make this and I give it away, it's usually I have more requests for it. So this is what I'm gonna sit down with and eat. But here it is. Here it is, Simple Life. You could see some of the scallions in it at the top there. And there's some scallion on the spatula. But it's pretty thick. And this is what you want. And this can last in the fridge up to 4 days. Usually we don't keep it that long, but it can. So I was saying that you could put this on your salad. Put it in your, when you make your green salad and you put your lemon juice, your cayenne pepper, your olive oil, and you mix that up. You could also coat it with this, and or you could just use this. You could use it as a hummus, because this is similar to an hummus. So you could use it as a hummus where you put your cucumbers or your carrots or your celery and dip it. As you can see, you can also cut your sweet pepper like this here, and you could dunk it in your sweet pepper. This is so good because you can taste the richness, the healthiness of the sweet pepper. You know, when you get a nice sweet pepper and you can taste the flavor of the pepper, and so it's mingling with the cream cheese. Oh, so good. Another way you can do you can get your flatbread, and you can put your lettuce in there like that. Just some different ways, and just to use up this, and then you can go like this. Whatever else you have that you want to sprinkle on top, you can go ahead and put it there, and that's it. I feel like dancing. One more thing I need to, so good, Simple Life. Here I made some flatbreads. I use the oat flour with some potatoes. So you could also, whatever healthy flatbreads you have, you can use it here, or you can use your salad. So whatever the choice is, this is it. My homemade almond butter, almond cheese. Thank you, Simple Life, for watching, for liking, for subscribing, and for sharing this video. I will put the ingredients in the description. Try it and let me know. God bless.
Amen.